That happens every time. Hey friends, I suck at talking to the camera. I've already goofed it up. I've decided to take the next 2 weeks off from doing art. I really want to take my unemployment time, I mean full-time artist time, to turn my studio apartment into less of a living space and more of a working space. I have a really cool desk and art setup right now, but it's just not super ideal for what I've been doing lately. I have a couple huge issues with this desk. Main one is I'm too tall. I don't know if you can see that. I am too tall to fit under here, and I hit my head on this thing all the time, all day. Hit my head on it. It's also like really dark back here. So this video is gonna be me kind of setting up my whole new art studio space, and I really hope you enjoy it. Hopefully it's fun for me because I haven't started yet. I'm sure it's gonna be a disaster. I know I could probably buy furniture secondhand from Craigslist or Goodwill or something like that, but I really want to build it because I built my press stand and I had a lot of fun doing that. And I also liked that I could customize it to like exactly what I needed. And I have a specific like plan in mind for my desk that would totally work for printmaking and making videos and everything. So I'm really excited to try and build some more furniture. I think I might just try to build a bunch of furniture I need instead of buying it. I got all the wood for the bed structure. It's gonna go underneath here after I take out the desk. We cut everything and sanded it, and then we built these side beams that are gonna hold up the bed. I also realized that the plan that I drew up for my new desk isn't really, it's just not gonna work because I kind of changed my idea for what I wanted the desk to do. So I'm gonna take apart this desk, try to install the bed, to see what wood I have left, like scrap wood from the desk to work with. I may end up having to buy new wood for my desk. I don't know yet, but that's my plan today. Oh, it's all glued together. So I think this is gonna be a lot harder to take apart than I thought. A lot of it's glued together, so I don't know how much scrap wood I'm actually gonna get out of this. Kind of a bummer. Not coming apart. That's so much fun because now I have no idea what to do with this piece of wood. I just realized I got the wrong length. I need it to be at least like, I don't know, 2 inches longer. So, yay. You know what I realized? It was in reverse when I was trying to do it. Did it go through? It didn't go through yet. What do I do? Just barely doesn't fit. Do they make extenders for these things? I did it! The storage kind of board up here so that I don't have stuff that can fall through these top slats. I completely scrapped my idea for my desk, and I think I'm gonna have to redesign a whole new desk. I don't know what I'm gonna do for that yet. Structure, and I built 2 tables for plants. I have these like extremely long vines that I'm going to try to hang from my ceiling, and I don't have a ladder, so I'm going to test how well I built these tables and stand on them. There is one more bonus thing I've been kind of working on, but it's something that goes on the roof of my building. I'll show you guys that towards the end of the video as like a bonus. I built this as well. So yeah, let's hang up some plants. Little tiny pots hanging, and I'm basically gonna make the same thing for my ceiling plants, but bigger. My instincts on this, and the box, I don't know if you can see it, but the box was kind of damaged a little bit. This is the last tabletop they had left. Boom! No damage. Done! Awesome. I didn't think I would actually ever in my life have a cool studio space like this. I'm so fortunate. I'm so grateful. Thank you. I completely forgot to record the famous wax words. A thumbs up, click the red subscribe button, and what's the other one I'm supposed to say? Oh yeah, leave a comment. Dude, tell me your favorite plant. I already have beyond too many plants. If you have a favorite plant, comment it down below and maybe I'll add it to my studio. Yep, that sounds good.